If you had told me that this studio would have taken me 5 years to do, I think I would have cried. I'm just kidding. Honestly, I don't know why it took me 5 years to do. I guess I didn't know my style. I don't know, maybe I still don't. Because I mean, at one point it used to be a rental. Then it was a craft room, a filming room, a laser printing room. And then literally out of nowhere, our water heater busted and our entire basement got flooded. So we were able to take some of that insurance money and go to Ikea and get some really cool built-in bookshelves. And I went around different coffee shops looking for that vintage inspiration. I'm so glad with how it turned out. I mean, it just looks so good. But let me take you behind the scenes for just a minute. Okay, I bought this couch on Amazon. Like the perfect velvet green. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
What are you doing?
Being an Amazon woman. What are you doing?
I'm momming.
You're momming? Oh, I understand that, buddy. You can't take me down. If you don't thrift or are not really into it, you should be, because I got this really beautiful pillow for $2.99. That's not even the best part, because I got this Ottoman, $12.99. I actually bought a new rug, although this one is really cute. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out my style, I guess.
I'm stinky.
I know, but you know what? You're stinky to me, and I still love you. And this has been like such a great replacement to the Swiffer that you can just Velcro off and then throw it in the washer. It's like top security. Look! Got this on Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. Hey, sweetie. So I thought that I bought wallpaper, but it was wall panels.
You're gonna finish it by the time I get home?
I think I'm gonna try, yeah.
And then I'll put your couch together and we'll do your light. Have so much fun.
Yes.
Yeah, but I can't do it either.
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
I got it.
Feels like that sticky fly stuff. You know what I'm talking about? The fly traps, whatever. That was scary. Can I call you my dump truck?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Whoa, that's gonna look nice.
But why do we fall?
Right up.
So we can learn to get right back up. That's right.
Yay, mommy! Yay, mommy! Yay, yay, yay!
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest.
My gosh.
Reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
I actually kind of like those conversation pieces. What do you think? I think they're a little oversized, but I mean, I think they can work for sure. But the problem is that these are heavy. That's what I run into, is that the glass will fall on my head and kill me. Yeah, I think I'll just eyeball it.
Don't kill yourself.
Because, you know, if I'm interviewing somebody, I don't want them to die. Oh my goodness, this is fun. Look, I'm like a construction worker.
You are.
Let's see. Okay, try that. Oh, no. Oh. This is so much harder than it looks. Lost a nail. That looks good. You like it? You don't even like gallery walls. The downfall about being like a DIYer is that sometimes you just do crazy stuff to try to save some money, and it's like, just spend the money. I'm really going for like a muted pink. Why is the door like this?
Just because.
Okay. This is like 1,000 pounds, I'm like 1,000. Is this gonna break is what I'm asking.
You're just gonna like.
So stressful. Y'all, this isn't happening. It does not look good. It looks like a kid's nursery room. All right, reroute. I'm just gonna paint that wall. So after I finished that arch wall and painting everything, it all just came together so nicely. And what's really cool is actually behind this bookshelf that slides out is a separate craft room. So yeah, I hope that this inspires you to do something fun with your home, because this was a long process, but it turned out so good. If you enjoyed this video, I actually have another video that I was doing at the same time that I was doing this video, and it was my closet, which I made like into a prayer room transformation. So if you want to check that out, I will post it right over here. It's also a pretty fun DIY makeover. But anyways, if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this space or what you would have done differently. But in the meantime, I'll see y'all later. Bye.